Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to know about the cut face command in Siemens NX. So let's start. First, let me tell you about this model. I have just prepared a sheet here, a surface, then a second surface, then I have just sewn them, and later on I have just used the trimming command to have this cut out, and at last I have applied the thickness. So these are some of the common features which you have to use the paste option in cut face. Otherwise, you'll face the problem. Okay. Now let's continue with the command. So first you have to just to be in the NX modeling, then go to home, then go to the synchronous modeling, and here just go to more, and in more you will get the reuse feature. Copy face has already been discussed. You can watch my video. I will attach the link for this. Now let's talk about the cut face. Copies a set of faces and deletes them from the model. So I'm just going to have the cut face here. So first we are going to just normally discover about the cut face. Like if I just select this face and this is going to be distance. Let me just unselect this because I'm just going to have the single face here. So I'm just going to select this and the distance is going to be 0, and here I'm just going to untick this and it is asking for the distance. So let's go to the distance angle and I'm just going to give the value as 0, 0. Now just click on show results. So here you can see we have deleted that particular face where the fillet was there. And let's undo this. Now I'm just going to select this face basically, and then again click on show results. So this is how it will get up here. Now let's undo this and I'm just going to cancel this. So this was the basic understanding of cut face, like how the cut face is going to be get used in the part modeling. Now let's understand some deep into the command. Again, just go to cut face and I'm just going to have all these faces here for this part only. So now I'm just going to have the angle here, and here I'm just going to vector and let's rotate it. And I'm just going to untick this option, paste cut face. Now click on OK. Now here you can see we have just cut the face from that location to the new location. But here you can see the cutout is not been here because this face has not been attached with this face. There are some consequences for not using the cut face. So I'm just going to undo this and again just go to the more, and here let's go to the cut face. After this, I'm just going to have this one, and here I'm just going to give the distance in this direction, like in this. So here you can see we have a void here. So I'm just going to click on paste cut face. Now show result. Now you can see it has automatically recognized a feature and extended that particular face. And along with that, we will get a cut out here. So this is how you can practice regarding the cut face command. I hope the command is clear to you and you are going to practice on your own regarding this, because I have just taught you about how you can just have the models, just prepare the sheet, then just sew them, then apply the thickness, and later you can just use the cut face along with the paste option. So that is all. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.